Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
Finding the menu icon in Yahoo Mail depends on whether you are using a desktop computer or the mobile app. On a desktop browser, you will not see a traditional three-line hamburger menu icon in the main interface. Instead, look at the top left corner of your screen next to the Yahoo logo. You will see a grid icon that looks like 9 small squares. Clicking this opens other Yahoo services like news or finance. For your specific mail settings, look at the top right corner of the page. You will see a gear icon labeled Settings. This is where you manage your account preferences, themes, and inbox layout. If you are looking for your folders like trash, sent, or spam, they are listed in the navigation sidebar on the left side of the screen. On the Yahoo Mail mobile app for iPhone or Android, the menu icon is located in the top left corner of the app interface. It is usually represented by your profile picture or a circular icon containing your initials. Tapping this profile icon opens a comprehensive side menu. This menu contains your account settings, various mail folders, and the option to add new email accounts easily. Many users expect to see 3 horizontal lines, but Yahoo has mostly replaced those with the profile circle. If you want to filter your messages, look for the inbox label at the top. Tapping it shows options to view unread, starred, or archived messages. Navigating the interface is simple once you identify these key locations. Always check the corners of your screen first for navigation tools.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.